This building project is significant for Prosser, not only today, but for in the future.
It means a new day. It means another 40 or 50 years. It means today's the day of celebration. This would be a good example of the before and after.
We had a facility prior that was 50 years old, and we were starting to step behind because there was already that stereotype of what is vocational education. We were planting an image in the mind of young people that really we weren't current. We added 63,000 new square feet of learning space in this project. This allows us the opportunity to really match the needs of our local economies and local employers, but it's also going to allow us to transition and change and evolve to meet the future needs. So we have opportunity to expand, and before this project we really don't have that opportunity.
For a very long time, people thought that the best path to have a high career earning was going to a four-year college. That's no longer the case. You can have extremely respectable and extremely generous career earnings as an electrician, as a plumber, as a contractor, as a network technician. The marketplace has changed.
We have a skills gap across the nation, and people now realize that we should be telling our young people, first and foremost, choose your career and then find the training that matches that career option so that you can achieve that career goal, rather than choosing your training first and then trying to figure out what you're going to do with it.
We have the right captain of the right ship, and Alan Taylor. And that Alan is always looking at the horizon to determine which programs are needed. This place evolves because civil society evolves, and I think we've given the community in the present, and we've given the community in the future an asset that they can bend and shape to whatever they need at the time.
The future of Prosser looks absolutely bright. We are very proud of what we've done in the past, but we do not live in the past. We do not rest on our successes. We have the accelerator smashed to the floorboard, and we're going to continue to get better each and every day.